Hey guys, my name is Joey Marstall. I'm the owner of Double J Motorwerks. I'm located in Portland, Oregon, so it's the Pacific Northwest in case you didn't know, and it happens to be the mecca of all Volkswagens. What Double J is we are a Volkswagen Audi performance maintenance and repair shop. My enthusiasm goes back all the way to the very beginning of Double J, starting in 2001. So what I want you to know is that my enthusiasm and my attention to detail to both Volkswagen and Audi are unmatched, and all of my clients are able to take advantage of that. Since 2001, I do everything from daily driver cars to project cars to race cars to stanced and lowered cars. I also unpimp the auto. So I would also like everybody to know something more about me is my passion for Volkswagen started at an early age. I basically eat, sleep, and drink Volkswagens. Promise. I promise I do. We take great attention to detail. We are all enthusiast driven here, and we enjoy working. We just really enjoy working on these cars. So any client that comes in here takes advantage of that, and that it clearly shows in the work. In the future, I'll have some more videos coming out, so I want you guys to tune in and keep watching.